Can sex save a marriage after infidelity? Many couples ask this question in the middle of heartbreak. After all, sex feels like connection. But does physical intimacy actually rebuild trust, or can it sometimes do more harm than good? Let's talk about the truth you need to know. After betrayal, couples often turn to sex as proof of love, proof of forgiveness, proof that the relationship can survive. It can feel like a shortcut to closeness, a way to avoid the pain by covering it with passion. But here's the reality: sex alone doesn't heal betrayal. Sex can be meaningful after infidelity if it comes from a place of honesty and emotional safety. It may provide a sense of temporary closeness, a reminder of attraction, or hope that the relationship can continue. But if the deeper wounds of betrayal are left unaddressed, sex can become a bandage on a wound that needs stitches. Sex without emotional repair often backfires. It can leave the betrayed partner feeling used or pressured. It can create confusion or lead to asking, "Does this mean we're okay?" It can delay the real conversations about pain, trust, and honesty. Instead of healing, it can create a cycle of false closeness followed by even deeper disconnection. Sex doesn't save a marriage after infidelity. What saves a marriage is rebuilding trust. That means the following: 1. Transparency and commitment to no more secrets. 2. Accountability through owning the harm caused. 3. Emotional repair through listening, validating, and rebuilding safety. 4. Time and consistency, because trust isn't restored overnight. Only once emotional trust begins to heal can sex become a true expression of love and closeness again. Sex can play a role in healing, but it is not the foundation. Think of it as the fruit of a tree. It only grows when the roots of trust and safety are nourished. And when couples rebuild on honesty, intimacy can return in a way that feels even deeper and more meaningful. Don't pressure yourself into believing sex alone can fix betrayal. Healing takes honesty, patience, and rebuilding trust step by step. Subscribe for more guidance on navigating intimacy, betrayal, and healing after infidelity.